Okay students, so now we will discuss our first type of adjectives, that is adjective of quality. First of all, do you know how to pronounce it? Adjectives. Some students pronounce it as adjective. No, it's not adjectives. You don't have to say D here. D is silent. We say adjectives. What do we say? We say adjectives. Adjectives. We don't say D here. Adjectives. Okay? So pronounce it very properly. So first of all, we are discussing about the adjectives of quality. We are talking about adjectives of quality here. What does it describe? It describes the quality of a person or a thing. It describes the quality. Important thing is, as the name suggests, it describes the quality of a person or a thing. Let's see here. She asked a difficult question. Question is our noun, and we are telling that what type of question. Question कैसा था? Difficult. So difficult is our adjective. So let me show you one more thing. It's not always necessary कि जो हमारा adjective है वो बिल्कुल noun से पहले ही आए. वैसे most of the time यही होता है कि हमारा adjective noun से पहले आता है. This is our noun and our adjectives come before the noun. But sometimes जो adjective की place है वो after the noun भी हो सकती है. Suppose the question is easy. So question is our noun and easy is our adjective, जो कि noun से पहले नहीं आया, noun के बाद आया. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है. So it's not always necessary. Okay, let's see the next example. She is a nice girl. Girl is our noun and the nice word nice is our adjective. So what we understood from this, that adjective answers the question what kind of. What it answers? It answers the question what kind of. If we say what kind of question, answer would be difficult. What kind of girl? Answer would be nice. ठीक है? What kind of question? Easy. Okay? So it answers, adjective of quality answers the question what kind of. Next we will study adjectives of quantity. Okay, so our second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. As the name suggests here, quantity, it describes the quantity of a thing. Remember, in our previous adjective, quality, it was adjective of quality and it used to describe both the person and the thing. But here, adjective of quantity, it describes the quantity of a thing only. Okay. Let's see examples. There is enough food in the kitchen. So our noun is food, and what is the word that is describing food? That is enough. Enough food. So enough is our adjective of quantity. See next, we need some water also. So water. Water is our noun here, and we are using some before it. Some water. So some is our adjective of quantity. So let's see what is the conclusion. It answers. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. What it answered? It answers the question how much. Question is how much food? Answer is enough. So enough is our adjective of quantity. How much water? Answer is some water. Some. So this is our adjective of quantity. So next we will study adjective of number. Okay, now our third type of adjective is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. See, as the name suggests, number. It tells us how many persons or things. It tells about how many persons or things. So, if we say 10 students attended Zoom class. So, what is the number here? Number is 10. Student is our noun and it is telling how many students. 10. So 10 is our adjective of number. Many friends came for the party. Many. Many is our, remember much was our adjective of quantity and many because these are countable. Okay? The word, the adjective word which we use with countable nouns and uncountable noun, it differs. Many friends came for the party. So friends is our noun here and many is our adjective of number. Many. We are studying 7th chapter. We are studying 7th chapter today. So chapter is our noun and 7th is our adjective of number. So in conclusion, what we got to know that adjective of number answers the question how many. What it answered? It answers the question how many. So suppose if we ask how many students attend the Zoom class, answer was 10. So 10 is our adjective of number. Okay, many friends came for the party. How many? Many friends. Okay. So now we will study next type of adjective. Okay, now see. Demonstrative adjective. This is our fourth type of adjective. Demonstrative adjective. See what it is used for. It is used to point out some person or thing. Okay? Point out as we generally do. Suppose if a student is sitting in the class and if I say, I am talking about that boy. That boy. So boys are noun and we are saying that boy. We are pointing out particular boy. That boy. This book. Those pens. Okay. So see here, this book is very interesting. So book is our noun and we are particularly pointing out that this book. Such movies are always praised. Such movies. Those boys play cricket daily. Those boys. Okay. So these are the words when we point out something, some person or a thing. We use demonstrative adjectives like this, these, that, those, yonder, such and certain. So these are the type of demonstrative adjectives. Next we are going to study is interrogative adjectives. So students, our fifth type of adjective is interrogative adjectives. This is the type of adjective which is used, when used with a noun. ठीक है, इसको noun के साथ use करते हैं when we ask a question like what question did the teacher ask? Teacher ने क्या question पूछा? So question is our noun here and we are using what? What question? So what is our interrogative adjective? Because before our noun we are using interrogative adjective. Whose painting has he made? Sorry. Painting is our noun here and we ask a question whose painting? उसने किसकी painting बनाई है? Whose painting has he made? So whose is our adjective of whose is our interrogative adjective. So what interrogative adjectives do? They ask a question. Now we will study about possessive adjectives. So beginning with our sixth and last type of adjective, that is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are which shows possession or belonging. If I say my book, so I am telling that the book is mine. My book. So book belongs to me. Or I am showing my possession. My book. I like your dress. Dress is the noun and your. Your shows possession. Your dress. Our school building needs painting. School building is our noun. Ours shows possession. That it's our school. I brought her bicycle. Bicycle is the noun here and her is the adjective. Bicycle is our noun and her shows the possession. So this is our possessive adjective. So what question does the possessive adjective answer? It answers the question whose. If I say whose bicycle? Her bicycle. Whose school needs painting? Our school. Whose dress? Your dress. So it's easy to identify possessive adjectives. So class, you have to watch the video very carefully. Try to solve the book exercise. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. A very good morning grade 6. Today we are going to start our chapter 7, that is adjectives. What do you understand by adjectives? What are adjectives? So adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Let's start. An adjective is a word used to add something. What we do, an adjective adds something. किसमें add करता है? To the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. It adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Let's see how. If you say tall boy, what is the noun here? Noun is boy. And it is describing कि ये जो हमारा noun है boy, ये कैसा है? ठीक है? He is telling, now we are being told कि the boy is tall. So ये describe कर रहा है boy को. ये जो word है, this word tall is describing our noun boy. ठीक है? Noun, our noun is boy here, and the word tall is describing how is the boy. Boy कैसा है? Tall. So this tall word this is our adjective. What is tall? Tall. Word tall which is adding to the meaning of our noun boy. The word which is describing the noun. ठीक है, tall क्या describe कर रहा है? Boy को describe कर रहा है कि boy कैसा है. So tall is our adjective. Again, let's see few more examples. Intelligent girl. Girl is noun. Intelligent is our adjective. Man is noun. Honest is adjective. Pink shirt. That fan. 5 mangoes. Some food. Every child. Which building? Your dress. So here I have written various type of adjectives that we will study a little later. So till now we just have to understand what do you understand by an adjective. So till now we came to understand that an adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, is that clear to you? Here we can see the noun and we see a describing word which adds something to the meaning of noun. Because suppose if they are saying intelligent girl, we come to know that the girl, how is the girl? Girl is intelligent. Okay, she is intelligent. So this is a describing word about the girl. So in conclusion, what we can say an adjective is a describing word. Okay. Okay. So now we will study about the types of adjectives. So in your class you have to study about 6 types of adjectives. Okay. So beginning with adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. So I will explain you all these adjectives one by one. Adjectives of quality. As the name suggests, quality. Here we are talking about the quality of our noun. Suppose if I say, as I told you in previous example, like tall boy was there. So tall is the quality of that boy. It states the quality. Or if I say beautiful girl, that also states quality. If I say pink shirt, that also states the quality. If I say long hair, so long is also stating the quality of the hair. Again, adjectives of, next is adjectives of quantity. So as the name suggests, it suggests the quantity. ये आपको क्या बताता है? Tells about the quantity of the noun. Okay, like if I say there is enough food in the kitchen. ठीक है, there is some water. There is enough water in my water bottle. There is some food left. So these types tells about the quantity. ठीक है, like some, enough. These kind of words fall under quality. And these tell about the adjectives of quality. Next is adjectives of number. As the name suggests, number. If I say there were 10 students in the class, so student is our noun and before that we are using 10. So 10 shows the number. About a number they are telling the number of the noun. So 10 is our adjective of number. If I say I stood first in the class, so first, this is also adjective of number. Okay? He was standing in the 5th row. So 5th row. This 5th is also here also an adjective of number. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative. When we demonstrate something, ठीक है? अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ, if I say look on this board, ठीक है? There, look at that fan. This, that, those. These girls are very naughty. If I say these girls, those boys are playing in the ground. Okay, if I am mentioning, मैं कुछ demonstrate कर रही हूँ, this, that, those. So these type of word, when we demonstrate something, जब हम कुछ दिखाते हैं, this कहके, look on this board, ठीक है? So these type of adjectives are known as demonstrative adjectives. Next is interrogative. Interrogative, you have also studied about the interrogative sentences. It's clear from here. When a sentence asks question, when a question is put before a noun, remember, this question will be put before the noun, question word. Like, what book are you reading? ठीक है? Which movie are you talking about? So here is the noun. ठीक है, noun से पहले आपका क्वेश्चन पुट हुआ है. So those type of adjectives are called interrogative adjectives. Next is our possessive adjectives. It clearly shows that it shows the possession. It shows possession. If I say my book, your house, ठीक है, her bicycle. सो पोजेशन, नाउन की पोजेशन शो हो रही है कि ये जो नाउन है वो किसने पोजेस किया हुआ है. इफ आई दिस इज माई बुक, सो बुक इज नाउन. बुक से पहले मैंने कहा माई बुक, सो इट शोज माई पोजेशन. ठीक है. हिज हाउस, so house is the noun, and if we are saying his house, that means it is showing the possession. Okay, so these were the type of adjectives. Now we will discuss one by one with examples.